When AI generates an image, where does it actually come from? Most image AI uses something called a diffusion model, and the way it works is genuinely surprising. It starts with pure noise. Here is how it learns. You take millions of real images and add random noise to them, step by step, until each one is nothing but static. The model's whole job is to learn the reverse. At any noisy step, predict what noise to remove to get closer to a real image. So to generate something new, it starts from a completely fresh field of random noise and it removes a little at a time. Dozens of steps, and slowly out of the static, a coherent picture emerges, one that never existed before. Where does your prompt come in? It steers every single denoising step. It nudges the emerging image toward a cat, an oil painting, a sunset, so the random noise resolves step by step into the thing you actually asked for. And why does this matter? It explains a lot. Why image AI is creative but unpredictable, why it can be slow, all those steps, and why the same prompt with a different starting noise gives you a completely different picture every time.